Hey everyone, welcome. Today we're talking about something that's changing the world, and it's called artificial intelligence, or just AI for short. AI is when machines can think, learn, and solve problems, almost like a human brain. It helps computers understand languages, recognize pictures, suggest music, or even drive cars. Instead of being told exactly what to do, AI learns from data and gets smarter over time. In today's world, artificial intelligence is no longer science fiction. It's a fundamental part of our daily reality. It's the invisible engine powering the apps we use, the entertainment we consume, and how we connect. From recommendation algorithms that suggest our next favorite song to smart assistants that organize our schedules, AI is constantly working in the background, making our digital lives easier and faster. Nowhere is this integration more seamless than in the lives of young people. They are, in every sense, AI natives. When they search online, an AI ranks the results. When they scroll social media, an algorithm curates their feed. When they use a photo filter or a chatbot for homework help, they are directly interacting with AI. But simply using these tools isn't enough. To truly thrive, they need to understand the how and the why behind them. This is the new digital literacy, developing the critical thinking to navigate algorithmic bias, identify misinformation, and grasp the ethical implications of this powerful technology. This is where the role of the youth worker becomes more vital than ever. By embracing AI, you can dramatically increase your own capacity. Imagine automating time-consuming admin tasks like scheduling and reporting. This frees up invaluable hours for what matters most: mentoring and engaging with young people. AI can act as a powerful assistant, helping you analyze feedback to better understand group needs, or generating creative ideas for your next workshop. It's about harnessing AI as a co-pilot to enhance the quality, reach, and effectiveness of your work. The applications in modern youth work are transformative. We can create personalized learning experiences where an AI tool adapts to each young person's unique pace. In creative projects, AI can be a collaborator, helping generate images for digital art or compose a soundtrack for a film. It can be a tool for connection, using real-time translation to break down language barriers. And in the crucial area of well-being, AI-powered apps can provide accessible resources for mental health, like guided meditations or mood-tracking journals, acting as a valuable first step in a broader support system. Ultimately, integrating AI isn't about adding a tech gimmick. It's about preparing young people for their future. By becoming knowledgeable, youth workers can guide them beyond being passive consumers of technology. You can empower them to become critical thinkers, responsible digital citizens, and creative innovators. You can design activities that are not only more engaging and powerful, but that equip them with the essential future-ready skills to shape their own world. Prompting means using natural language to tell AI what you want. When you feed a well-structured prompt to a large language model, LLM, you get more precise, relevant responses. And here's something super important. Many young people know what AI is, but they don't know about prompt engineering. That's the skill of giving smart instructions to AI to get better results. Learning this skill helps you think critically, ask better questions, and use AI creatively and responsibly. AI has great potential to empower the youth sector stakeholders to support next generation of leaders with cutting-edge knowledge in artificial intelligence, technology-focused management, and ethical decision-making. AI is growing fast, and it's shaping the future of work, education, and even democracy. By understanding and using AI well, young people can become leaders, creators, and problem solvers in this new world. Have you ever wondered, how can a machine think like a human? That's the heart of what we call the philosophy of artificial intelligence. AI operates based on precise guidelines, calculations, and code created by programmers. It works by identifying patterns and using them to generate predictions that are statistically likely. Our brains are amazing. We learn from experience, we solve problems, and we make decisions. AI tries to do the same thing, just with technology instead of neurons. At the heart of many AI systems is machine learning. In essence, it's a way to teach computers to learn from experience. Instead of being explicitly programmed, we give the machine two things: a vast amount of data and an algorithm. The machine processes the data to build its own understanding, or what we call a model. While we learn from books and observation, an AI does this on a superhuman scale, analyzing millions of data points to find statistical patterns. It's less about understanding the why and more about calculating the mathematical probability of what comes next. Let's take a classic example. Teaching an AI to recognize a cat. You don't write code that says if it has whiskers, it's a cat. Instead, you show it millions of pictures labeled cat. The algorithm learns the recurring patterns, the cattiness. Once trained, it can look at a new picture and say, "I'm 98% confident this is a cat." This same principle applies to youth work. An AI could analyze program data to spot patterns, like which activities are most popular or which young people might be at risk of disengaging. It's pattern recognition on a massive scale. But AI doesn't just passively label things, it actively makes decisions. Think about your video streaming service. It doesn't just know you like sci-fi, it decides what to show you next to keep you watching. This is often done using reinforcement learning. The AI is like a player in a game. It tries an action, like recommending a video, and gets a reward if you watch it, or a penalty if you ignore it. Its goal is to choose the smartest move to get the biggest future reward. And just like people, AI is not perfect. It makes mistakes. Sometimes they're harmless, like mistaking a muffin for a chihuahua. But they can be serious. If the data an AI learns from is biased, its decisions will be biased too. For example, an AI trained on historical hiring data where most managers were men might unfairly penalize female applicants simply by repeating the patterns it was shown. This is a huge ethical challenge. The key is the feedback loop. By correcting the AI's mistakes and, crucially, feeding it more diverse and representative data, we can help it learn to make better, more equitable decisions over time. Understanding AI's philosophy helps us work with it better. We realize it's not magic. It's logic, learning, and decision-making. And if we know how it thinks, we can guide it, ask better questions, and use it in smart ways. AI learns, grows, and makes decisions, just like us. And when we understand how AI works, we can create amazing things, solve real problems, and build the future together. You've probably used AI before, like ChatGPT, Google Bard, or even AI art generators. But did you know how you ask matters just as much as what you ask? That's where prompt engineering comes in. It's the skill of giving clear, smart instructions to AI to get better answers, better art, better ideas, better everything. A prompt is the message you give to the AI. It can be a question, a command, or even a creative idea. The clearer and more specific your prompt, the better the AI can respond. Let's compare. Tell me something. That's vague. The AI doesn't know what you want. Tell me a fun fact about space that most people don't know. That's clear, specific, and exciting. Here are a few quick tips to become a prompt pro. Be specific. Tell the AI exactly what you need. Give context. Explain what it's for. Use formats, like write a list of 5 ideas or explain this in simple words. Try roles. Say, act like a teacher or pretend you're a scientist. Test and tweak. Change a few words and see what works best. Let's try these 4 powerful prompts. First, write a 3-line poem about climate change in the style of a teenager. Second, act like a fitness coach and give me a home workout plan for beginners. Third, explain how voting works in simple terms, like I'm 10 years old. Fourth, give me 5 creative business ideas for a youth social enterprise using technology. See how fun and powerful it can be? The better your prompt, the cooler the result. Learning prompt engineering isn't just cool, it's useful. Whether you're doing schoolwork, writing a blog, planning a campaign, or creating art, this skill helps you think better, ask smarter questions, and get creative faster. AI is like a super tool, but you have to know how to use it. Prompt engineering gives you that power. So start exploring, get creative, and see what you can build with the right words. We've explored what AI is and why it matters for youth work. We've seen how it adapts lessons, breaks language barriers, and lightens admin loads. But concepts only come alive when they meet real projects. So let's switch gears. In the next minutes, we'll dive into practical examples. youth groups already using AI to plan events, support mental health, map community needs, and land first jobs. Watch how each tool turns a challenge into a result, and imagine which one could power your own work. AI is a powerful partner in education. With tools like Khan Academy's AI Tutor or ScribeSense, young people can receive feedback, practice skills, and learn at their own pace. It's like having a tutor available 24/7, customized to your learning style. Landing a first job can feel overwhelming, but AI turns prep into a step-by-step coach. Drop your bullet points into an AI resume builder. Instantly, you get a sleek CV. Next, a job match engine scans vacancies and ranks the ones that truly fit your skills, saving hours of scrolling. In one evening, you move from a blank page to a polished CV, targeted job list, and interview practice, massively boosting your employment chances. Let's imagine you are part of a youth-led nonprofit preparing for a community festival. There's a lot to manage: creating posters, sending invitations, handling RSVPs, even scheduling social media posts. Normally, all these tasks take hours and a lot of manual effort. But with AI tools like Canva's AI poster generator, MailChimp's smart emails, or event management bots, you can automate much of this work. This gives your team more time and energy to focus on the creative side, designing activities, engaging with participants, and making the event unforgettable. Grants keep youth projects alive, but writing proposals can be tough and time-consuming. With an AI co-writer like a grant writing plugin or ChatGPT, you can outline objectives, craft persuasive language, and auto-format budgets in minutes. That means less stress about paperwork and more energy for delivering impact. Now, picture a youth organization trying to keep their social media channels alive and active, managing daily posts, creating engaging captions, finding the right hashtags. It all takes a lot of time and creativity. But AI can change the game. Tools like Canva's Magic Write, ChatGPT, or social media assistants can suggest catchy post ideas, generate content calendars, and even recommend trending hashtags tailored to your audience. Instead of worrying about what to post every day, your team can plan content in advance, optimize engagement, and free up time for bigger campaigns. With AI as your creative partner, you stay visible, consistent, and connected to the community without burning out. Want to know where your project can help most? Start with AI-powered community needs mapping. Collect quick mobile surveys or pull open data, then let the AI cluster responses and turn them into a live heat map. In seconds, you see which streets lack safe recreation, where mental health requests spike, or which neighborhoods need after-school meals. Armed with real-time insight, your team can prioritize resources, pitch evidence-based grants, and show the community you're listening because the map points you straight to where impact matters most. Real conflicts are messy, but practice makes mediators. Slip on a VR headset and step into an AI-driven scenario. Two friends clash over a group project. Your choices guide the conversation's calm tone or heated words, open questions, or quick fixes. Branching dialogue shows instant consequences. A live tension meter rises or falls with each response. When the scene ends, the simulator breaks down empathy level, listening skills, even body language, then offers targeted tips. No one gets hurt, everyone learns. So when real disputes arise, youth walk in prepared, confident, and ready to resolve. Sometimes anxiety hits after hours, when staff have gone home and friends are offline. That's where a compassionate AI chatbot steps in. It greets you by name, listens without judgment, and offers quick breathing exercises or grounding tips drawn from trusted resources. If your feelings run deeper, one tap sends you phone numbers and links to real-life counselors or crisis lines reminding you you're never alone. The bot doesn't replace human care, it bridges the gap, keeping a safe, supportive voice available 24/7 until a caring person can take over. AI is powerful, but not perfect. As youth leaders, it's essential to ask critical questions before using AI tools. Does this tool respect people's privacy? Is it free from bias? Can its decisions be explained? These questions are at the core of responsible AI use. Encouraging ethical awareness among youth not only protects communities, but also builds trust in the digital tools we use. Being mindful and transparent helps us harness AI in ways that are fair, safe, and inclusive, which is exactly what youth work should be about. To truly unlock the potential of AI, It's helpful to think of it not as a magic box, but as an incredibly capable yet very literal new assistant. It has access to vast information, but it has no personal experience, no intuition, and no context about your specific world or your goals. It only knows what you tell it. This brings us to the single most important skill for working with AI: crafting effective prompts. What you get out of an AI tool depends entirely on the quality of what you put in. Let's explore this by comparing a vague request with a well-crafted, detailed one. Imagine you ask the AI, "Write a social media post about our event." The AI will certainly generate something, but what will it look like? Without any context, it has to make a series of guesses. It doesn't know what your event is, who it's for, what the tone should be, or even what platform you're using. The result is predictably generic. It might be overly formal, use bland language, and lack any specific details that would actually capture someone's attention. It's content that fills space, but it doesn't connect, persuade, or inspire action. It's the equivalent of asking your assistant to do that thing and hoping for the best. Now let's elevate our approach. A great prompt provides clear instructions and essential context. A helpful framework to remember is CRAFT. First, C for context. What background information does the AI need? R for role. Who should the AI pretend to be? An expert, a friend, a formal announcer? A for audience. Who are you trying to reach? This is crucial for setting the right tone. F for format. How should the output be structured? A list, a paragraph, an Instagram caption with emojis. And finally, T for task. What is the specific action you want the AI to perform? Let's try again using this CRAFT method. Imagine this prompt. Act as a friendly and empathetic youth mentor. Write an Instagram post to invite young people aged 14 to 18 in the Manchester area to our free mental health workshop. The event is on May 10th at our youth center. The goal is to make them feel welcome and safe. Highlight that there will be free pizza and that it's a supportive, no-judgment environment. Include a clear call to action to sign up via the link in our bio and add 3-5 relevant emojis and hashtags. See the difference? By providing these specific details, the role, the audience, the tone, the key selling points like pizza, and the format, we've guided the AI to create something far more effective. It's no longer guessing. It understands who it's talking to, what matters to them, and what you want them to do next. The language is tailored, the key information is prominent, and it feels authentic to the audience you're trying to reach. And the conversation doesn't have to end there. Your first detailed prompt is a starting point. You can iterate and refine. If the output is almost perfect, you can ask for adjustments. Try follow-up prompts like, make it funnier, or rewrite this to be more reassuring for parents, or give me 3 different headline options. Think of it as a collaborative dialogue where you are the director, guiding the AI to the perfect final product. Mastering the art of the prompt transforms AI from a simple generator into a powerful partner. The better your instructions, the better, faster, and more relevant your results will be, saving you time and helping you connect more effectively with the young people you serve. Across these slides, we saw AI tutor one learner, draft a grant, calm an argument, predict event turnout, and even make a heat map of community needs. Different tools with the same purpose, turning youth ideas into measurable impact. Whether you need learning support, safer spaces, or stronger funding bids, AI converts precious volunteer hours into amplified results. In short, when creativity meets smart technology, youth work levels up. Now it's your turn to explore, experiment, and empower your youth through AI. AI is no longer just for tech giants. It's a tool in your backpack, ready when you are. Today you saw how AI works, how to speak its language, and how real youth projects already benefit from it. The next step is yours. Pick one AI tool and try it this week. Think of it as the first stop on your personal AI roadmap. AI gets better when we learn together. Invite a friend or teammate to test AI with you. Compare results. Share prompts. Collaboration turns learning into a creative game and doubles the ideas you generate. As you explore, stay mindful. Protect privacy, check facts, and look for bias. Ethical use isn't a barrier, it's what earns trust and keeps your project safe and respected. From idea to impact, faster than ever. Use AI to draft a post, outline a project, or analyze survey feedback. Then act on it. Tools are only powerful when they move from your screen into real-world change. AI amplifies your voice. Make it heard. AI isn't just a cool tech toy, it's a pathway to employment and opportunity. The same tools we've explored can help you build a CV, practice interview questions, and match your skills to real jobs. Every prompt you write is a chance to level up your career readiness. So dive in, create a portfolio piece, start a micro project, showcase what you learn, and let employers see your innovation. Your future job might start with the next prompt you type, and we can't wait to see where it takes you. AI amplifies your voice. Make it heard.